Yo, what up, Steam? David Schneider, K-Spec. I'm in the pantry. I'm doing a quick pantry stream. What up, Michael Gianos? Reading. What up, Tony Gold? Don't congratulate me until they get approved. But I guess you could take congratulations for me getting to the point of requesting, I guess. I mean, I don't consider it anything until it's in my bank account. You know what I mean? Vinny Lee, what's good? All right. I'll be right back. I need to take some fucking Advil. What up, Carlos? Reggie. Yeah. Konaja, what up? What up? What's the matter, Harvey? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Yeah, it's all that matters, K-Spec. It's all that matters is, obviously you can't change what happened. It's all about moving forward. You know what I mean? Coach Singh. Yeah, this isn't the overnight stream. I'm awake later to come on, but I'm feeling fucking tired as fuck. Yo, what up, Kenny? What up, Kenny? Yeah, it's been moving. There's definitely been some good movement today. I mean, it's been taking all day, but we've just been running up, and then we'd have like 25, 30-point pullbacks, and then we run up some more, another 25, 30-point pullback. So it's interesting. But we're definitely in this area. We're in like this zone where there's, as soon as we entered into the zone that I thought we would start encountering some resistance, we started getting the pullbacks. So that's cool. But I wish I capitalized on it a little more than I did. You know what I mean? So I'm just logging into my accounts right now, although I don't know how much I'm going to trade. My fucking finger is like, I don't think I took Advil midday, and I wasn't sure if I did. I didn't remember if I did or I didn't, and so I didn't take any. And the way it's feeling right now, I feel like I didn't take any. If that makes any sense. It's fucking throbbing. Pimp Daddy Trades, what's up, motherfucker? What up, AS? Steam recovered an eval to break even from minus 1,500. That's great. That's great. G Matt, what up? Marvin. I think he wants me to bring the bed over here. I'm in the pantry. So he's like laying on the hard floor that's covered with an area rug. Yeah, it's hard, K-Spec. It's hard, man. It's hard to just keep it up like this, especially when I'm like typing on the computer. It's just, you know, it's like in the process of healing. So that process is painful, you know, and I don't want to take like I have hydrocodone. I just don't want to take that shit. But I feel like I should because this shit fucking hurts. What up, Pine Tree? What up? Let me turn my screen on. Shit's just bumping, man. I literally feel it fucking throbbing. It felt good earlier today. I mean, not good, not great, but it wasn't throbbing. P shenanigan. Do I ever sleep? Not really. It might be too tight. I don't know. It would. I mean, it's been doing this the whole time. He did put some more. He did wrap it a little bit more when I was there yesterday. I asked him to, like, you know, but maybe I don't know. You know, like in theory, like if the swelling goes down, it should be okay. But I don't know. I think it's because I missed a whatchamacallit. Um, I think I missed an Advil session. So I basically cost myself 6 hours of not being on Advil. You're supposed to kind of like stay ahead of it. But I don't know. I've been just popping 800 milligrams at a time when I take it every 6 hours. K-Spec. I can't, I'd have to put it in like a paper bag. I would love to ice this fucking thing, but I haven't taken it out of this contraption. So the only thing I could do is like put it in like a plastic bag and put it in like a bucket of ice water. That's the only thing I could do and not let the water get in. DCA LeConte, what up? But yeah, I ain't feeling it. And P Shenanigan, yeah, I don't know. I don't really sleep all that much because I'm always, doing stuff and, like this, streaming it, which is cool. I'm cool with it. I like doing this shit. And then, like, some people will fucking say, oh, well, like haters will be like, oh, all he does is fucking stream. I don't understand the fucking, like, it's called work ethic, you dumb fuck. Jesus Christ. Maybe learn about it. But some people just don't get it. Yeah, I like it, P. I love it. Coach Curtis, what up? Oh boy, yeah, I'll probably be on later. I was supposed to do a whip stream, but my son skipped out of practice. But yeah, I would love some ice, man. I just can't take this. I can't take this apart to put ice on it. Who's hanging out right now? Micah, what up? All he does is stream. All he does is not sleep. He doesn't sleep. Not you. I'm making fun of someone else. But like someone who would say shit about me, who likes talking shit about me because he just can't keep my name out of his fucking mouth. It's like Clay doesn't understand what the fuck is going on here, but whatever. Ice through it. I mean, if I stick this in like a bowl of water with ice cubes in it, and I keep a plastic bag on it, that might actually feel amazing. That would actually feel amazing. So check. You want to see something cool? Check this out. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? That ain't it. Where's my screenshot? Fuck me. No, it's up here more. Here, how I'm going to do it? I'm going to do it this way. We have fun. All right, here it is. Boom. All right, you see this? I said, so we were running. And then I said, we're probably going to stall somewhere in this zone. So as soon as we got into this zone, like 21,284, what happened? 21,284, we hit. The zone was around about here, like right around here. Let's see. Let me look at the screenshot again. Yeah, like at 75, 275. We get into the 280s just at the very bottom of the zone, and we reject what, 30 fucking points? We rejected from 84 to 46, 40, almost 40 points. And then we bounce, and then we hit another spot. We hit another spot right here, 308, 307, 0.75, which is in this zone, and we reject again. This time we rejected 308 to 282. You know, almost 30 points. And then we bounced again. We went a little bit higher, and we're still in the zone. And here we are rejecting again. Not a huge rejection yet, but it's still like 12 points. Coach Curtis, V33. 10 points is better than nothing, right? What up, O? Cube, what up, man? Yeah, I need some ice cube. I need some ice cold cubes in a bowl. Oh man, I'm not gonna be on that much. I'm not gonna be on like I'm on for a good time, not a long time. Cube. Yeah, it was a good long, man. Great long. I mean, shit. Well, yeah, it was a nice fucking, it just kept going up. I mean, it's still going up. We're up, 209. We went up 100 points. So, it's not bad. Yeah, Micah, great job. Oh, you got him. You're in max payout land, huh? Nice. Carbonite was good. Yeah, P. I mean, if that's, then you don't need to trade it. I took some trades. Like this is the Top Step account that I hit the daily loss limit on yesterday. A new Top Step account, a combine, and I'm up 300 so far. But the biggest accomplishment of my day in terms of trading was I got this funded Bolonox account up another $500, and it's like I mean, I'm only on like day 4 with this thing. I only got like, fuck me, man. I can't even fucking. I'm on day 4 with this thing, and I'm already at $2,354. I'm close. I need to get to 2,600 for the buffer, and I need to get to what 4,100 to request 1,500, and I'm like 4 days in. So this account's looking amazing. And then I have like these Apex accounts I haven't touched yet. What up, Pawn? How's Project X? I'm not a huge fan of it, but it's better than Volumetrica. Oh, nice, Cube. Here, Eddie. Yeah, I almost did it. I almost did it here in my garage stream. And I'll be like, knowledge. Yeah, Volumetrica is awful. Awful. I feel like breaking a different finger so I could stop feeling the pain in this finger. It fucking hurts so much right now. Oh, God. Fucking A, man. It was feeling okay before. Anyway, I can't even like fucking concentrate. Yeah, I got to put some Valsys cream on that shit. That's the secret, bro. That's the fucking secret. So yeah, so this I wanted to do the stream, while my son was at practice and request some payouts. Look at this. Here we go. So far, what are we at now? 9. There we go. 16 points. How much lower is it going to go? Is it going to bounce off the 5-minute 21 here, or is it going to come down a little more? Well, like now, like with these Apex, so look, check this out. I'm on the payout request page. Profit raid. Yeah, bro. Fuck that. So I got these 4 that I could request payouts on. And then the only one I would be able to trade really if I wanted to keep trading was 127 because it's way over the buffer. So I might do that because I got to trade 128 and I've been trading them together. You know what I mean? So I might just do that, but I'm not going to touch the other 3 because they're just over the buffer and I don't want to fuck that up. I'll just wait until they get approved or denied. Is this going to keep dropping? I feel like it's going to come down to like the 200 or something, or like here. Last thing I want to get caught in is some fucking crazy flash dump. I mean, if we look at the bigger time frames, I mean, we go to the hourly. I don't know. Doesn't look great. It looks like it still wants to fill this. This 250 point fucking pop here, and then it goes up even more to the top. I mean, from the bottom here yesterday, we went from the bottom here, 774 to 5. I mean, we went up 700 points. It's not on the, not in one day, but like, what was this? So this was Tuesday. The low on Tuesday was here. And we went up 700 points from there. And it just feels like it wants to come right back down and fill it. You know what I mean? At least come down to around here, around back down to 21,000. So, Boss of the South, what up? Trading NQ futures with prop firms. I trade some gold too. I like gold. I just don't really trade it all that much because I trade NQ more than anything. But once in a while, if I see something I like on gold, I'll try to catch a move. But those are the 2 that I really it's the NQ. I got accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. Oh shit! I guess I had an eval get rebuild. So I have these 2 funded accounts I just got paid on, and then this eval. I guess this eval was a rebuild. I wish I knew that, but yeah, I think it rebuilt at $80 too. So the old pricing. That's from the old pricing. Oh, cool. You trade options, no doubt. I used to fuck with options a lot. I might get back into fucking with options, but not like I used to, because that was some dumbass shit. That's how I gave myself the name ZERODAYJay, because I used to do a lot of fucking 0-day options trading, but not to the detriment of the account. But yeah, I got My Funded Futures, I got Top Step, and I got Bullinox. That's what I got. Man, I'm really happy with how this Bullinox account's looking. I got to activate my other one. It's not even in here. I passed another Bullinox eval. I had 3 funded Bullinox accounts. I blew 2 of them like an idiot. And then I passed an eval for Wednesday's session. I just got to pay the activation fee. I also passed an eval with Apex, which would put me back to 8 funded accounts. Gregory Gustav, what up? Yeah, the data burn is awful. You gotta be you gotta be right with that shit, or the shit just even when you buy a couple weeks out, that shit happens. If fucking all the juice, you could and I'm on the West Coast, like you could be the move might happen at the open in one trading session, and all the juice gets squeezed out of the fucking contracts, and then like the rest of the time is like nothing happens, and you just lose money. It just keeps getting worse and worse. Yeah, boss. Boss of the South. I stream every single day for Power Hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. And I also stream during London, like during the overnight during London. But once in a while, like anytime my son would have soccer practice, which is like twice a week at this point, I stream. I'll bring my laptops with me and stream from the car, from my mobile hotspot. We call it a whip stream. But he was supposed to have practice today, and I told people that I was going to stream so we could celebrate requesting some more payouts from Apex in this case. But he dipped out of practice because he's been kind of banged up. His foot and his ankle have been bothering him, and it's really bothering him today. So no whip stream, but I'm here in the panty. So we're doing a panty stream. I mean a pantry stream. Bruce Lean, what up, man? Steam Team, it might, but there's no like red folder event, so I don't know what would propel it. Wiz, no fear. What's good? Yeah, it's the same shit. It's the same shit. When am I going on Top Step TV? Right here, February 4th. Tuesday, February 4th, the hour before Power Hour. This is specific time. I'm going to be going on at 2 o'clock Eastern, or sometime between 2 and 3 Eastern. I don't know exactly when they're going to like have me come on, but that's the time slot between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern. And then right after I get off of that with Top Step, I'm going to hop on my stream. Should be interesting. I'll probably have I could imagine having the most people on my stream that day than at any other time. But I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I won't, we'll see. Hell yeah. Thank you, P. Bruce, just hanging out, just breathing and relaxing. Just breathing and relaxing. P, we're gonna have to flush out all the fucking haters because they're gonna be waiting their turn to tell them how much they hate me. Jay's a jerk. Jay blows accounts. He blows accounts. Make up numbers about how much I spent on evals, like they keep track of my bank account or something. Yoshi, what up? Yeah, Yoshi, I don't know. I've tried streaming in the Discord and it was a fucking shit show. We tried just to do a giveaway and it was a fucking disaster. K-Spec, I can't keep him out of Top Step. Maybe they'll flush him out, but I'll be ready for it. I'll be interacting in the chat too. Claudine, what's going on? From Italy. What part of Italy are you in? My ancestors are from Sicily, meaning my grandparents. My grandparents are off the boat from Sicily on my mother's side. Florence, nice. Very nice. So, what's going on with this chart? What are we doing here? It looks like, I don't know, man. It popped for a second, and then it pulled back. It did pop off the 5-minute 21, 91 to, I would have loved 9 points right there. I would have loved 9 points right there. But I don't know what to make of this shit. I don't want to do anything stupid. So I'm gonna trade with 2 in each account. I need 3 more days with 128. This account was previously denied. I got 5 days in. I'm in max payout land. 143 and 144 are on day. How many days in do I have with that? I think I have 5 days in with that. So today would be day 6 with those. So I got 5 days in with 143 and 144 and 128. And then the rest of them are all being requested. I'm about to request on all of them, the other 4. And then 648 I have to activate, and that'll be a brand new one. Johnny, what up? I'm Italian as fuck. I'm half Sicilian. And then the other half is like Russian Polish. Snahil, what's good, man? What's the take profit trader position? No funded accounts because I blew them again because I suck. But I got these. I'm trying out how I'm going to test out how I could do with 25Ks because there's no more daily drawdown. I mean, there's no more daily loss limit with take profit trader. So I'm curious how I could do if I really, actually focus on not being a fucking idiot. Napoli Don, no doubt. Bruce Lee, yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting for sure. What do I think about the inauguration? I don't know. It depends. The inauguration's on the day after. Is it on Martin Luther King? Is it on Martin Luther King Day? That's interesting. It's going to be wild. I don't know. The market's closed. The market closes early, so I don't know how it's going to react. But I imagine there's going to be some big, now anything he says about anything that has to do with money and countries and economies is going to fucking make the market move like, crazy in either direction. I hope I see that girl with the hat crying. You know which girl I'm talking about. The no girl. This girl. I hope she's there. They're probably going to send her there on a bus. This girl. Where is she? This girl. Is she going to be there? She going? They're all going to be reeing. What up, Jamila? Nice, Johnny. Yeah. I only knew my grandfather, Poppy, my mother's mom, who would have been, I would have called her Nani. She had breast cancer. She died of breast cancer, like before I was even a twinkle in her eye. Only my oldest sister knew her. My oldest sister, Stacy, knew her. What up, Cash All? Stevie J, what's good? Today's going okay. I haven't really traded all that much. I traded my funded Bullinox account. I got it up $500. So that thing's at 2,354 through like 4 days of trading. And then I traded my Top Step account a little bit, one of my combines, because I blew my fucking XFA yesterday like an idiot. Bruce Lean. Yeah. You know what I'm thinking of doing? I'm thinking of getting, I'm already working on it. I just don't know if it's going to work. And I don't know if it's going to matter as much because are they going to like tell people to like subscribe to my channel or anything like that or follow me on Twitter? Are they going to do any of that type of shit? Or am I going to have to take matters into my own hands without being, without getting into trouble? Because if if it goes well, I wouldn't mind being on there again, obviously, Yeah, Johnny, it happens, man. It's just part of the it just comes with the territory. Anybody says they don't blow accounts or that, you shouldn't blow accounts is fucking, they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. People blow accounts all the time with this shit. It comes with the territory. We'll see, yo. I'm sure there's definitely going to be some subscribers and stuff that come my way, I see it as a great opportunity. I see it as a huge opportunity. But what I'm thinking of doing is making a shirt with a QR code. I'm actually making a QR code right now, and I'm thinking about putting it on a shirt so people could fucking scan the QR code. Maybe I'll put a bunch of links on there. I have it be like a link tree. but I don't want to do it with like what prop firms I trade with and shit. I think I'm going to just do it with my socials, like, you know, YouTube and Twitter. I have Instagram too, but I don't really use it all that much. Jamila, yeah, it might come a lot sooner than we thought, Jamila. Yeah, Bruce Lee. Well, they already hit me up. They said they don't want any profanity. I already got the rundown. No profanity and no I can say that I do trade with other prop firms. I just can't say which ones. You know what I mean? Yeah, so Pimp Daddy trades. Well, they were doing like casting couch auditions, Pimp Daddy. So they were looking for people to add to their show. So I made my casting couch video, my casting couch audition video. What's funny about that video is I dropped an F-bomb like 3 times in the video, just casually talking in the video. I said fuck like 3 times. But they actually ended up reaching out to me. I mean, they need to fill the show. They need guests on the show. So I mean, I don't know if they did it because, oh wow, this guy's special, but you know, it'll be a fun time for sure. Oh, we're at the favorite. We just hit 69 on the stream, no doubt. All right. So you guys want to request a payout? You want to watch me request some payouts here? Well, this is a payout party. So I'm in my Apex account. These are the 4 accounts I could request. So I'm going to request the max payout on 127, right? Which is 2,000. Yes, I agree. I'm not a robot. Request. That's 1. I've submitted. So now it's pending. I don't know if you can see that. It's pending. And then let's go down the line. This one I can request 641. I could do 541. Shit. I don't think I'm going to be over. Fuck, I'm not going to be over 4,121. I did the math wrong. It's going to be 3,821 because I fucking forgot about the stupid fucking the 50,100. But whatever. 541 here. That's the most I can request. I'm doing it. I'm not a robot. So that's that one. Refresh. I'm not gonna complain about it if I get approved. 640. All right, that's the number. Yep, 640. And the other one's going to be 640 as well because they were both identical. And then last one. All right. 640. We did it, Joe. We fucking did it. We freaking did it. I got to work on not cursing. We freaking did it. So we got 4 pending requests. So 2,000. So 612, 17, 1,821 bucks, 3,821 bucks total requested. I did get denied for 2,400 earlier this month, and one of them was 127. I requested 943, got denied for violating the 30% drawdown rule. And here I am again requesting another payout with it because I got my 8 days in, and now I'm requesting the max. The last time that happened, I got approved. I don't see why I won't get approved on this one. The only one I'm worried about is 138 because they might look at it. They might look at the fucking metrics and be like, this guy violated all the rules. But it's because there was a fucking glitch with Tradeovate. This glitch in Tradeovate like a week and a half ago. A bunch of people's drawdowns got all fucked up. And they restored the account. This was one of the accounts that got restored. So if it gets denied, I'm like, yo, this account was one of the accounts that got restored. Hopefully they know that. They should be able to look at this and be like, there's no, how did he lose this? How did he have this much drawdown and not lose the account if they look through my trades? So maybe they'll approve it, let it slip through, whatever. We'll see what happens. But I'll submit a ticket either way and make a video like, yeah, this account was affected by the thing. It was, it was restored and all that. And then I traded it, got it over and requested. So Can you just push it through, please? Thanks. So that's that. And I just got paid $2,400 from my fund, the futures, yesterday. So if I get approved for this, if I get approved for all of it, that will put me at 6,221 for the month. And I'm already in line. I need to trade for 3 more days to request on these two. Well, I have to get them over the buffer also, but this one's already way over. I'm going to be requesting, if I could get to another 3 days in, I'm going to be requesting the max payout here. I could flip for 3 days, but I don't do that. I'm not a flipper. I'm not a flipper and dipper. But we did it, Joe. Marcin. Yeah, tell them. When do I go on? Right here, Reggie. Tuesday, February 4th, 2 p.m., between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern, right before the hour before power hour. They put a clown on their dress as Randy Savage, who trades straight evals for 7 months, offering a $1K a month service. Made me think they take, really? That's crazy. Thank you, Mikey Souls. Thank you. I wouldn't say it's for fun, and I wouldn't say it's for a living either. I don't make a full-time income from trading. Not yet, at least. Not yet. And even if I was, even when that time comes, I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to get rid of my first flow. So that's that. Payouts are requested. We'll see what happens. Pending. Let's refresh 1,000 times. I remember some fucking loser fucking was like, oh, all he does, here's ZERODAYJay hitting refresh 100 times to see if his payout got approved or denied. Like, who fucking cares? It's part of the fun. You fucking dummy. Just mad that you got kicked out of the Discord. Fuck you, son. Anyway. Cash, yeah, right? Well, I would have to give them the questions in advance. I would have to give them, I would have to approve of their questioning. Coach GA, thank you, man. Yeah, the interesting thing, Bruce, is I've only taken 1 payout with Top Step. So I'm looking to, I just had an XFA too. I was hoping to get a couple more before I get on this. So I just got paid, whatever the numbers. I just got paid $2,500 from you guys. Thanks. Yeah, it's weird. It's weirdo behavior, P. But there are some people that are like that. It's just like, bro, why do you care? Jamila knows what I'm talking about. Jamila knows. It's fucking weird. It doesn't stop either. It's like fucking Buffalo Bills shit. It's like I got to stand, I'll fucking sign. I'll put my autograph on a starter cap. See, this is what I was worried about. This is why I didn't want to go long. So from this high, we're down now 23 points. I feel like it could come down even lower. I feel like it could come down here, maybe to the VWAP. But I don't want to trade that account. I want to trade these accounts. Fuck it. Oh, the selected group must contain. Oh, yeah, wrong account. This is SMD Concepts. Right there. Will be perfect. Yeah. There's a lot of volume right here, too. At this, and this is literally going to be in a little while later on, or in the very near future, this is going to be support and resistance, this little chop zone right here. That's all it does. You got this chop zone, become support and resistance in the future. You just play the fucking game. Oh, it's a new hour, too. We have new hour fuckery happening right now. I'm surprised there wasn't as much movement on the new hour. I don't even know if I want to trade this shit, to be honest with you. Not with this account, but we'll see what happens. It's probably going to be here. It ate the whole previous candle on the hourly. Let's see what the hourly's looking like. Yeah, I mean, these candles aren't even that big. We did bounce. So if you know, in terms of me drawing a fib on the hourly or the 4 hour, this is the low right here. Right there. We basically bounced off the fib, the half, the midpoint. You know, we just missed going into the golden pocket, but I don't know. Actually, right here. Yeah, we bounced right off of it. Look at that. Right on it. Right fucking on it. You know, it didn't even get into the 618, but I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. Like, I feel like it's going to just fill the gap, at least come down this far. I just don't know when it's going to happen. Or we're just going to keep going up. Like, who the fuck knows? Bacon. What up? What up, Bacon? Oh, it fucking bounced here. I would have loved 8 points. I would have loved 8 points. This is what happens with the new hour. Is it going to reject off of this area because this is now like, you know, this is the chop now, or is it just going to blow through it? I don't know. I don't know. Well, we're in. I'm probably going to regret this. Keeping it tight. I don't need a ton. I'm not here. I'm not in this trade for a long time. I'm trying to be in it for a good time. I don't even know why I'm trading this shit. It's barely fucking moving. Oh, now it wants to move. It wants to go up. Of course. What's the spread? The spread's not even that bad. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. You know what's interesting? I do have 5 days in on this. I do have 5 days in. Of course it goes up because I wanted to go short, but whatever. It's fitting. Maybe it pulls back. Let's go. Drop it for me. I need more than $10. Now that I went down like 180 or whatever it was, I need like, oh shit, that 100? Keep going. Keep going. Here's what I'm going to do. I don't know if it's going to come back. There. There. Let's see. Let's see. Keep going. I almost want to just take $80. I might just take this. I don't know. Because like I just need another day, and the other account has a pending payout request. Oh, you fucking pot, motherfucker! Oh, hit it! Take me out of half. Take me out of half. This is what this is what I was worried about. Oh fuck! There we go. All right, that's cool. Works for me. Day 8. No, day 6. That was day 6. If I go to the PA charts, day 6, and maybe this is day 1. I think this is day 1 for 127 to potentially, to go for a third request, but day 6. So it says day 14. That's 8 plus 6 is 14. I'm on day, it's not up to date yet. So there we go. We got some right there. We did it, Joe. Now it's going to hit my take profit, right? What were my take profits? 86.50 and 82. Maybe not. Not yet, at least. And then the other, I'm not going to touch these 138, 141, and 142. I'm not touching those, but I will trade 143 and 144. I just don't know which way it wants to go. Yeah, Pimp Daddy, I agree with you. I agree with you 100%, dude. But like this account, 127 has a pending request right now. I just requested a payout on it. And then 128, I already have 5 days in. I just need 3 more of 50. Technically, I could just flip. I could just flip at 128 for 3 days, but I like to keep trading and growing the account. It's going to look, here it comes. Here's the first take profit right here coming right now. 186.50, 286.50. Sorry. It's about to hit. There it is right there. It's going to go right through it. There it is. There it is. It always happens, but I'm okay with it. I'm already in max payout land, right? I'm already at 4,781. I just needed to be at 4,100 to request a max, which is 2,000. And I need 2 more days. I could just flip, but I like to keep growing the accounts. So, that's where my head's at with that in terms of these 2 accounts. Like they're in great shape. I'm perfectly fine with 133. I really just needed $50. I don't even need $50. I didn't need anything. And now I want to trade 143 and 144. I'll be right back. I got to get something to drink. Did it take the other one too? No, 186. Not yet, at least. You want to lay down in here, buddy? Let me get the bed for you. Let me get the bed. There you go, buddy. So now I got to trade 143 and 144. Bruce Lee, why do you need 1,600? Yeah, I don't know. They must have something to do with it. Sonny Tariq, what up? Why don't I trade them? Because they're fucking expensive, bro. I'd rather just trade evals. I could pass an eval for 80, for now $97 and be all in without paying an activation fee, or I could pay like, what is it, $400, $450. I mean, I'm cool with it. I just don't do straight to funded accounts, and I have a 20% consistency rule on that. I'd rather do the other way around. What up, PJ? Cooking trade, what's good? By the way, speaking of my funded futures, they are running a deal right now. If you don't have an account with them, you could get 40% off 50K starter plus accounts as a new user for new users. And if you already have an account with them, you could get 20% off unlimited uses for the same account, the same size account, 50K. Oh, look at that little pop. That's a happy little bounce right there. Oh. 50K starter plus. There's my link. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY to lock in that deal. Take Profit Trade is doing 50% off any size test account. And they got rid of the daily loss limit. Woohoo! It's been a celebration ever since they did that. I couldn't believe they did that. I didn't think they were gonna. Oh my God. I've been talking this whole time without the earbuds. Can you hear anything I said? What I was saying with my funded futures was you could get 40% off 40% off 50K starter plus accounts and for new users, and 20% off existing 20% off 50K starter plus accounts for existing users. Oh, you guys heard me anyway? All right, cool. I wasn't sure. And then, yeah, so Take Profit Trader is 50% off. 50% off any size account. No daily loss limit anymore. They got rid of that shit. Tony Gold. Yes, sir. Use code ZERODAYJ. It's the best code if you want to support the channel. If not, no big deal. The fact that you guys are here right now is support enough. But we all know that my code has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm streets. I can't confirm it with actual data, but the DGen data in the chat, on the stream, in the Discord tells me this is the case. So you definitely should try it for yourself anyway. Bolonox is doing 91% off option 1, which is the trailing drawdown. The only account worth getting is the 50K. It's $15.75. Prop Firms Court. And then using code ZERODAYJ. Let me drop my link in here. And what up, Ron? Ron with the large pip. Hi. What's up, buddy? And then you can come in here if you want to do whatever. You having popcorn? No. Oh. Yeah, Steam. I mean, it's just like Apex. Well, if you want to get the max payout, it's the same amount. You got to get to 4,100 to get a max payout. I've been wanting to trade with Bolonox for a while, but I couldn't because they only had Rhythmic. But now they have Project SlipX, which, by the way, I was in a trade earlier today. Literally, it said 325 on the screen if I got taken out at that spot. I got taken out at that spot and it ended up being $279. I was like, what the fuck? I mean, I was like, what the freak? They have a 40% rule. Apex is doing 50% off. I'm still trying to get a special flash sale deal, but I don't know if I'm going to get it. I don't know if I'm going to get it because I'm not big enough. Not yet, at least. I got a ways to go before I could, you know, have as many people on a stream as Patrick Weiland or Trades by Matt. But I will drop my link in the chat because they are doing 50% off. Be good, Bacon. The best code ZERODAYJay for My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Bull and Ox for option 1, even trade day is ZERODAYJay. If you wanted to get like 80% off or 83% off, option 2, which is end of day drawdown. Yeah, end of day drawdown Bull and Ox is like 83% off right now with ZERODAYJay 2, if you're into that kind of thing. Yeah, I know. I got 2 weeks to prepare to not curse. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. This is a bunch of malarkey. It's interesting where this is bouncing. It can't get lower than this level right here. It can't get lower than this right here. Isn't that crazy? Can't make it up. It's right there in front of us. I don't know if it's going to pump. Like, this might just be this range that we're going to be in. That's right, John White. We're doing a pantry stream. Dag nabbit. Be good, Konaja. I'm trading in my mom's basement. I don't know what's worse, being in grandma's basement or being in a pantry. Because my son's hanging out with his girlfriend in the room I usually stream in. You know, they're watching TV. Yeah, you like the point of control? I know about it. I just don't. I don't really know what to look for, and I'm okay with that. I just go by. I just honestly like moving averages, VWAP, top and bottom orb, pivot points. But really, honestly, like lately, in case you guys haven't noticed, right? You guys have been watching me trade for a while. A lot of you guys. I'm literally just messing around in these pockets of support and resistance, and I take trades when we get to those areas. You can trade a prop from off your phone. I mean, some people do it. I don't like doing it. I've done it before. You just need a chart. You could in a browser, so your phone acts like a browser. You could even download, apps and shit like Tradeovate app, or you could do Project X straight from like Safari on your phone if you're on an Apple. It's tougher though. It's hard, but you can if you wanted to. People do it. Half-baked trade, yeah. Watching TV, yeah. Too bad I don't have any. Too bad this house doesn't have a basement. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to do. There's people who do it. Later, Konaja. It's a magnet. We're just going to chop around in this fucking range right here. Got some higher volume right here, according to the volume profile. But, I mean, I guess you could say this is the range, 309, 310 to 285. But really, aside from these little peaks here, it's really this right here, 300 to like 280, 285 or 287. Honestly, it's just This is just garbage price action. This is like, none of us should be trading this shit. None of us. Maybe gold is doing something more. Maybe gold is moving around a little more. Wow, gold's just, let's see, casual, let's see, 484. Casual 80 tick drop there. 80 ticks, 1 mini on 80 ticks is 800 bucks. Yep, piece it out. It's crazy. Even this right here, look at that. 13 ticks, 1 mini would be 130 bucks. Oh, it keeps going. Yeah, man. ES is cool. I just don't trade it. I don't trade that shit. I need more violence. I need violence. Yeah, cooking trade is it's brutal. It's brutal. Here's the Asia high right here. Or is this the high? I don't know. I think this is it right here. Well, this is obviously it. Let's go to the hourly. Crude. This is the NQ. I don't know what you're asking. What up, Coach Poop? Yeah. I hopped on to do a payout request party. Normally I would have been. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Well, no, I'd be home by now. But my son was supposed to have soccer practice today, but he bailed on it because he's banged up. But I just requested these payouts here. I requested 3,821 bucks, 640, 640, 541, and 2,000 for 4 different accounts. What up, Angel? Oh, damn, a bunch of people just dropped off. Must be late somewhere. Yeah, it's 1:30 on the East Coast. We went as high as what, like 80 something, 85, and then we just dropped to 68. Interesting. How dare anybody leave? I'm in Vegas. Angel, what's good, man? Yeah, I'm in Vegas. So it's 10:29 right now. I'm on the West Coast. I usually stream during London, like later on. Yeah. I still have I have my work laptop that I'm using to monitor the chat. I never took that off of East Coast time. I moved out of New York. I moved here from New York a little over 5 years ago, and I never took it off New York time. Yeah, Dildzik, it's growing up pretty fast lately. The actual official number is 4128. Oh shit. I missed that. I would have loved to have gotten some of that. I don't want to get in here. I don't want to play this short, although I wonder if the ranges are going to play out. But I also don't want to go in long either. I just don't want to. I just won't trade it at all, I guess. That would have been nice, though. 12 points, 12, 15 points. Alcy Faye, what up? Oh, nice, Johnny. Nice. Were you affected by the wildfires at all? Didn't like 4 people get arrested for arson? It's 12. Oh, you're in Texas? Nice. See, look, it's already, it's back down 10 points. Does it keep going down or does it bounce off of this right here? I don't know. I don't need to trade. I don't need to trade this shit right here. Right there. Right there. Have I ever used a trading bot? No. But I know people do. Some people do. You just got to be careful because you got to, double check and make sure that the prop firm that you're trading with allows it. Some of them don't allow it. Buy the dip type of day, and yeah, Sonny. There's no red folder events. It's the Friday before inauguration day. You got a half a day on Monday. The market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern on Monday. I'll be streaming early that day, though, obviously, because it's 10 o'clock for me. I'll probably get on at like 8:30 my time. So what is that? 11:30 Eastern time? Is it going to go back up, or is it going to fake out? You searching for an AI auto trader? Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know too much about that stuff. I just kind of, I just guess my way in, and I guess my way out. Oh, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back. We got over 300 followers now on Twitter. But yeah, there's my Twitter handle, ZERODAYJay. Amen. What up, man? Or is it Amon? Hope you're doing well. Jamila, you gotta show conviction. You gotta be convicted and not of crimes. Yeah, I do online marketing, so I'm always in front of my computer. See, look, it's gonna come. Look at this. I don't know what it wants to do. The 34s are right here. The 200s right here. I don't know. I'm scared. I almost don't want to get filled here. You done? Okay. No Diddy. Oh, thanks, Cooking Trade. I got you, man. Dilzik. And yep. Should be interesting. It's all Boss of the South. It's all sim trading. The only time that it becomes real is when they push you into a live account. And most of them don't push you into a live account until you have shown the ability to be a consistently profitable trader. So, like what I'm doing right here, I'm literally sim trading. It's based on real market conditions, but there's nothing, it's just it's paper trading. What? Yeah, I heard about that.
Did you?
Yeah, you were just telling Mommy you're missing.
Oh, you were there.
Yeah. Well, congratulations. Yeah, it's all paper trading. That you, large pips? No doubt. We have something in common. See, look, it came all the way. Look at that. See that? It came all the way back. That's what? That's 18 points. 18 points. Can I get filled? Kind of want this right here. I don't know. How do I make money if it's not real? You hit certain targets and they pay you because they make a ton of money on people failing evaluations and stuff. And some of these prop firms actually will copy trade the profitable traders, the guys that are good. And some of them make money, you know, they make money if they switch people to live, they take a percentage. But I've gotten paid real money in my bank account from these prop firms. Every single one of them that I traded with so far, except for Take Profit Trader. Although I've gotten like commissions from that, but that's a different story. But, you know, like this just happened. Damn, I lowered this. I moved this down too. I moved this down because I wasn't sure. Like I just got paid $2,400 yesterday by my fund of futures. There's one request paid to my Rise account. Oh, I got filled, which then goes to my bank account from Rise. I could withdraw the money into my bank account. There we go. Rise is a service that a lot of companies use to pay vendors and contractors. So there's the two payouts. That's what I got so far this month. And I just requested $3,800, $121 across 4 different accounts with Apex. I got filled. I did get filled. I have a feeling it's going to go lower, though. I don't know. We kind of fell out of we're almost out of the range completely. Yeah, boss to the south. Like if you're trading with you know, you're a personal account. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. The thing I like about prop firms is for someone like me who's not that good at trading, I'm still developing my skills. I'm getting better every single day, but I do not think I'm ready to trade a personal account. But I could buy, for let's say $80 or even, $80, whatever it is, $100, I could buy $2,500 of drawdown, right? Because that's what you're buying. You're buying the drawdown. Whereas if I wanted to buy $2,500 of drawdown with a live account, a personal account, a personal account, it would cost me $2,500. So it's just totally different animal. And there's rules in these prop firms. They have rules that you have to abide by, and they're different depending on the prop firm that you're trading. So not only are you up against, the market itself, you're also up against the rules. Can this keep going up a little more? Please. Let me take off half. Let me see if I can take off half here. And then the other half up here. Wishful thinking. I think I just had like $130, $140 and I didn't take it. So now I'm a little nervous. Yup. See, I fucking knew it. I should have taken it. I should have taken it. It rejected off the 200 here. Jay Seikos, what up? A textbook NQ sweep. Yeah, I mean, it did try to sweep the highs. It did here, and then it came back up, tried to retest. But I mean, I had 140 bucks. I just didn't take it because I was greedy. I wanted more. I was hoping it would come up to this area right here, but it didn't. Now I'm fucked. Not fucked. I mean, it's not the end of the world. But yeah, I'll probably get bottom ticked right here. I had 140 bucks. I should have just been happy with that. Chilling, Jay Seiko's chilling, man. Yeah, with no fear. I get it, bro. I get it. I figure I'll just try to milk these as much as I can while it's still a thing. Why not? And by the time if the industry changes drastically where it doesn't make sense to use them anymore, by that time comes, I'll probably be a pretty prolific trader with a prolific futures trader. But I feel like I have a ways to go before that happens. I mean, I've gotten better, obviously, but I'm at the point where I'm getting payouts every single month. And I had my best month ever as a prop firm trader last month. I cleared 5 figures, but and to some people it's not a lot. So some people that's whatever, but it's the most I've ever done. I almost doubled my best month. So I'm happy with how things are progressing. Yeah, Jamila. Yeah, they'll put like trading 3. It's just all about just hyping shit up. You buy and draw down. Those 300K Apex accounts are fucking. You're really paying for $7,600 of drawdown, or 7,500. That's all you're buying. And you got to hit profit targets. And, you got to hit certain targets and all this shit. You just buy and draw down any way you slice it. All right, I might get another chance to get out of this fucking shit. It's 200 and a half, 2.5. So I was down like 220. Fuck me, man. Fucking fingers killing me. Yeah, 262. I mean, it's right around here. The VWAP. All right, maybe I'm gonna get another chance to get out of this fucking shit right now. We're also approaching new hour fuckery. And there's a new 4-hour candle approaching. So I mean, I don't know. And there's no volume. I don't trust any of this shit. Keep fucking pushing. Come on. Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream. Oh, you fucking motherfucker. Are you serious? Damn. It's like literally like I had $100 real quick, and then all of a sudden it went from 100 to fucking nothing in like a split second. I was ready to let go. Yeah, this is just fucking shit sucks. What up, Nick? 323, bro. That'd be fucking amazing. I don't even need that much. I want this. Or I'm notorious for taking baby gains. I'll be more than happy to get out of this trade for like $150. It's better than losing fucking 400 or 200 or whatever I was down. I wasn't down 400, but I was down like 240, 220, 225. I don't remember. But I don't know. We could get up to this area right here. That'd be fucking great. All right, let's try this again. It needs to get over this fucking 200 right here. It can't get over the 200. You got the upper the VWAP band here. You got the 34s. EMA, SMA. You got the fucking 5-minute 21. See, motherfucker. All right. I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna fucking move my stop up here, and then it's gonna take me out, and then it's gonna pop and hit all my targets, my take profits, because it happens to me often. Because I'm just, it's probably because of the size I trade with. I just get nervous, Oh yeah, oh yeah. 233 bucks. I don't care if I get hit. Well, I'll get mad. I'll be annoyed, but I'm taking it because this could end up becoming a new area of fucking chop right here. This could become the zone right here. You know what I mean? Like this. Fuck. Like this right here could become the zone for all I know. You know what I mean? That might be the new zone. But here we go. Here it goes. Where's my take? Here's my first one. 92.50. We there yet? Almost there. 92.50 incoming. Yeah. Yesterday there was important news. It fucking caused a 250-point pump because it was UK GDP. I didn't think it was going to do that. It was fucking wild. I kept trying to go against it too, like an idiot. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know. It could go up. We got new hour fuckery incoming, but I'm okay with that. These accounts. So now I'm in. So these accounts 143 and 144. I just completed day 6. I'm not going to trade them anymore. I'm done. And I need 600 more bucks. I don't know why they're separate. I think one time I traded them separate by mistake. Here we go, 92.50 incoming. But I got 6 days in. I'm at 2,000 bucks basically with both of them. One's at almost 2,100. One's just under 2,000 in profit. I need to get to 2,600, and then 128. I just completed day 6, and I'm way over the max payout land. Max payout land is 4,100 to request 2,000, and I just requested fucking 4 payouts. So like I'm in, these 3 accounts. Like damn, and I'm not going to trade these. These 3 I'm not trading. I requested payouts. I'm not touching them because they're too close. It's not even worth it. It's too close, man. It's too close. So there are the requests right there. 2,000. Franny, what's up? Yeah. Is it the accumulation zone to go which way, though? We don't we all think we know what's going to happen. We all think we know it's going to go up or down, but we don't fucking know, especially with this new hour fuckery that we're about to be approaching. The next 15 minutes is going to be, a lot of times what you think is going to happen doesn't happen during those times. A lot of fake outs. Man, well, I blew my XFA yesterday because I'm an idiot, and then I have two combines. I hit the daily loss limit on right after I blew the XFA yesterday, but one of them I'm working up. I haven't touched it yet, and then I just been working my Apex accounts. I got days 6 in with 143, 144, and 128, and I copy trade 127 with 128, and I got plenty of room. I just requested, so I grew that a little bit more too. So I got day 1 in with 127 basically, and I got to activate 648. I passed this yesterday. I passed it today. Actually, I passed it during Power Hour, the Power Hour stream. I passed it after the market was closed. The shit was moving around. We dumped. We fucking absolutely dumped. It just kept going down and down and down, and then I played it on the bounce. And then I traded my funded Bullinox account here. I'm done for the day. I got it up $503. This is like, I think I got 4 days in with this. 4 days in, I'm at 2,354 bucks with this funded account. So I'm more than halfway where I want to go to get the max payout. Like I said, See, look, I'd be fucking so pissed right now. 3 ticks away from hitting my first take profit, even though it doesn't matter because I'm not in the trade anymore. What did I get out at? 88? I mean, it did go up another three points, which would have been $120 in each account. But I don't care. I'm okay with this. I'm not forcing anything anymore. Although I force shit all the time. But I don't want to, I'm trying to be more disciplined. I'm getting better every day at it. No point. I'm cool with this. There's so many times that I've tried to get just a little bit more, right? Oh, let me get a little bit more and I'll fuck myself out of payouts and shit. I actually fucked myself out of payouts earlier this week. I had 3 accounts. Literally, day 8 was locked in. My last day that I needed to get to, I got over the threshold. I got over the buffer. I got my 8th day in. I was done for the day, and I decided to try to get a little more because I was a little annoyed that right after I got out, I hit my take profit, and I would have made another $250 on it, on all 3 accounts. And what do? In a 5-minute sequence, I blow all 3 of them. So I cost myself $1,500, like $1,600 because of that. Yeah, just a little bit more. So fucking stupid. Exactly, Jay Seikos, man. The market does whatever the fuck it wants. Doesn't do what we want it to do. It does whatever the fuck it wants. Yeah, they have that stuff. I just don't care. I'm not. People always tell me, lock yourself out. Lock yourself out. I'm like, no. I'm not doing shit. I'm not gonna touch this. I do have to activate another funded account in here. The funny part is like people like beg me to lock myself out. I'm like, no. Yeah, it's right here, bro. I could manually lock myself out. There's other settings I could do, right? Risk settings here. I could set a daily profit target, all that type of stuff. It's the same as Top Step X. It's Project X. They both use the same platform. See, look. This is what I'm saying. New hour fuckery. We're almost back where I got in. If I was still in this trade, just being stubborn, I got in at 82.75. We just hit. We bounced, but I don't know. Who wants to go through that shit? I'm glad I already went down $200, 200 plus, $240 or whatever. Johnny, it's doing what I want. Yeah, well, you're better at this than the rest of us. They're definitely better than me. Yeah, Wiz No Fear. They just added it. That's why I'm trading with Bolognese. I used to not trade with them. I wanted to. I tried to, but they only offered Rhythmic, and I couldn't figure out how to use Rhythmic. I thought there were some workarounds, without me having to download like VMware or Parallels, install that shit or whatever, and there wasn't. So I had to, ask them for my money back, and they gave it back real fast. But yeah, Wiz No Fear, and they're doing 91% off. So you could literally get a 50K Bolognese account with option 1, which is trailing drawdown, for $15.75 using code ZERODAYJAY. And I think if you want if you want end of day drawdown, it's option 2, and the 50Ks are like $28 using ZERODAYJ2. ZERODAYJ gets you. Eric, what up? I'm locked in. I'm not manually locked out or anything like that, but I'm locked in. I'm green everywhere I traded. I'm green. Oh, they can. Yeah, they do. Like, here, let me log in. You have to ask them. There's actually an option. Coach Bogey, what up? Do they? I don't know. I think it's pretty much the same. all this shit right here. And then you could manually lock yourself out. You could do copy trading, all that type of stuff. Hold on, let me show you where you do it. Let me turn off my screen sharing for a second so I can log in. All right. So when you're logged into your Bull and Ox account, you could submit a ticket, right? This is the only way you could do it. You hit submit a new ticket, and then you'll see the option. It'll say one of the options, the categories, is request to switch trading platforms from Rhythmic to Project X. The only thing is, like, you can't do it on a, you can't pick and choose which accounts in the account, which trading accounts you want to do it with. It's all or nothing. So you're either trading with Project X or you're trading on Rhythmic. That's how it works. I'm pretty sure, at least, because when I asked, they said, they made me confirm and all this shit. Look at this fucking chop. This is a pain in the ass to trade. It's not even, most of the time it's not even worth it. I just saw a couple of opportunities and took advantage because I'm just scalping. But man, if you like to play like moves, like trend moves, like this is garbage. Amon. Yeah, there's a 100. See, the activation fee with Bull and Ox is progressive. You want to see something crazy? Watch this. You want to see some fucking wild shit? So these are the activation fees for Bull and Ox. Yeah, sure, you could get 91% off a 250K account, but when you pass it, you're going to pay $900 to pay the activation fee. It's not worth any of these accounts. The only account, any of the big ones, the only account worth getting is the 50K. Maybe the 25K, but for another $5, you could have a funded 50K. I mean, so it's comparable to Top Step, but like keep in mind, a Top Step combine is $49, whereas a Bull and Ox eval is $15.75 right now at 91% off. That sale's good until the 19th. It's going to end on the 19th. All right, we got a new hour. We got 1 minute for the new hour. Yeah, it is. It is, but it depends on what you used to. It's the same as Top Step. It's actually $1 less. But you're not paying $49 for evals. You're paying right now $15.75 for option 1 or $28 for option 2. UK numbers coming out of top of hour. Yes, you could. What up? Go kick some rocks. You could pass in 1 day. You could pass in 1 day. Shit, man. London's open in an hour, and I'm fucking doing a whip stream. I believe it's similar. I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a little peek. Here are the commissions I paid. Jesus, it's so small. Here are the commissions I paid. This was how many was this? What the fuck? Ugh, what a pain in the ass. $2.80 per contract per round trip for NQ minis is $2.80 per mini per round trip. Nothing happened. Nothing really happened. We're already a minute into the new hour. New 4-hour candle, too. Got a new 4-hour candle. Let's refresh a million times to trigger haters. This will probably, hopefully by tomorrow morning, they'll be approved or whatever. Hopefully they'll all be approved. I'm just worried about 138 because of the fucking trade of 8 glitch. Uh, 10 trading days, Jamila. Yeah, well, right now, Amon, no, bro. Dude, the Apex isn't 80% off. It's 50% off right now. Is it 80% off? Hold on a second. No, Apex is 50% off right now. It's like $83 for a 50K. $83.50 for a 50K. It's still less though. It is still less because the activation fee is $85. So if you go 1-for-1 on an Apex eval, it's still less than Top Step or Bullinox. Or about the same as Bullinox. I have no idea, Coach Bogey. I don't know the answer to that. I don't know anything about Rhythmic. I wish Apex had 80% off. If you blow a funded account, they'll give you 80% off one-time use. I know that from experience because I've blown so many of them. Looks like I didn't want to go. I just feel like this is going to be the new range right here. Unless it just drops. I know, Carbo Night, believe me, bro. It's not even 80 either. It's 50. It's 50 right now. It's 50%. What up, Ali? Yeah, did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. Requested 4 payouts right here. 2,000, 541, 640, and 640. 3,821 total. No decision yet, obviously, because I just requested a little while ago. But we requested some more. I didn't fuck up. I didn't find a way to fuck myself out of these payouts. I actually fucking got the job done. And then I grew some more accounts even more. I'm not going to trade these 3 because they're too close to the buffer. So I don't want to fuck up. 127 was way over the buffer, so I traded it with 128. 128 needed another day. I got day 6 in for 128. I got day 6 in for 143 and 144. Everywhere I traded, I'm green. I traded there. I traded in my Top Step account. In one of the combines, I traded in my Bullinox account. Got my Bullinox funded account up $500. So we're cruising along. I still got some work to do, obviously, but I'm happy with what I was able to do so far. If anybody wants to join the yeah, it's nice, man. It's nice. If I get approved, obviously. None of it matters until I actually get approved. Oh, look at this shit go. Uh-oh. Look at this shit drop. Damn. That's what I'm saying. Like, just when you think it's going to go one way, it goes the other. Here's the new hour fuckery. Pretty much done now. Almost to the VWAP. I think it might go lower. It might come down here to like 256. 256, 247. Very possible. Yeah, 91% off. Option 1 using code ZERODAYJAY. Reggie, you know what's crazy about that, bro? It don't work. It'll only work in your account. I've tried that. Or someone gave me one of theirs once before and to use or to give away. Like they literally dropped it in the chat and people tried to use it and it wouldn't work. Those 80% off blown funded account codes only work for you, for the account holder. Nice little drop though. Look at that. 309. You're talking 40 points from the top here. Yeah, Ali. I mean, I have my days, man. I blow accounts. I blew 2 funded Take Profit Trader accounts yesterday like a fucking dummy, and that I just got. And I blew my Top Step XFA. This week alone, I blew a Bullinox account. I blew how many funded accounts this week? 3 Apex, 2 Bullinox. That's 5. 2 Take Profit Trader. That's 7. And Top Step X. I blew 8 funded accounts this week like a fucking dumb fuck. So, you know, the goal is to not blow them like that. Sometimes I just do dumb shit. Yeah, my Take Profit Trade is tricky. But now there's no daily loss limit. The daily loss limit's gone. So it's not as tricky. It shouldn't be any different. Look at this pop. Nice little pop there. 67 to 83. It's probably going to go up more. I can see it going up a little more. Nice. It bounced off. Look, it bounced off of this area of support. This little fucking chop zone, this chop zone. Look where it bounced. And then you got this right here. This is from earlier in the. This was the low of day. Well, was it the low? Yeah, this was yesterday's low of day right here. I think. No, was it? I don't know. It wasn't. This right here, 170 something. This was the low of day from yesterday. My bad. Right at the end of the day. See, look, it went up a little bit more. 16 points. Yeah, it's just crazy. We all blow accounts. Yeah, no problem, Wiz. No fear. I'll see you, man. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Dips, what's good? What's good? Yoshi. Oh my God, that's a lot, man. Dude, it happens. It happens. As long as like, look, you know, at the end of the day, all that really matters with this shit is payouts. So if you're getting payouts and you're blowing accounts, yeah, it sucks to blow the accounts because then you got to just start all over again. But if you're getting payouts, you know, it's not the end of the world. At least you're getting payouts. That's where I'm at. At least I'm getting payouts. You know what I mean? But I do want to get to the point where I can retain some of these accounts for multiple payouts versus, you know, earning and burning or just blowing them right before I get there and shit like that. Like that shit's got to stop. You know, I know it's going to keep happening, but I want to spread out how often it happens. I want the occurrences to be more, you know, not as often. What up, Dave? You blew that 50K. You were right there, bro. Oh my God. Been there. Been there. Oh, you were thinking about leveraging them? I don't know, man. I mean, that's up to you. Yeah, the X platform brings out the degenerate in me too. There's something about the color scheme and just how it's laid out. It makes me want to fucking do degen shit in here. I trade a lot more like a degen in Project X than I do in fucking Tradeovate. But they pay. I mean, they don't. You know, they've been around for a while. They just fly under the radar. They're not out there like everybody else is. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Carbonite. Exactly. That's like one of my goals for this year. You know, I have a couple of goals. One of them, you know, one of the goals is to hit 6 figures in payouts. But one of the other goals, like I have a bunch, but one of the other goals is to like hold on to some Apex accounts so I could take out those, you know, the big payouts. If I could get them beyond, what do you have to get, like 6 payouts, and then you can request, or it's like 3 months or something. Then you could take out. You could take out. You don't. There's no max payout anymore. I would love to do that. Yeah, this is a nice little drop here. Yeah, Bolognese is reliable in payouts, Ali. Yeah, PJ, yup. There's no activation fee. There's never an activation fee. Even with the little price hike, even with them raising prices, you still don't pay an activation fee. It still works out better than most of the other prop firms. Nice job, K-Spec. All right, be good, Carbonite. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off too. I'm gonna hop off too. I'm hoping to come on later, but I don't know. It's already 11 o'clock my time. I'm fucking tired. If I could get a couple of hours, if I could get a quick little power nap for a couple of hours, and I actually wake up, I will come back on. Yeah, yeah. You don't even need to trade those big accounts anymore unless you want the drawdown with Take Profit Trader, if that's what you're talking about. But with that said, guys, I'm gonna bounce. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. I'll probably be on later, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll definitely be on for Power Hour, um, and then 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern Friday to close out the week, and then I'll be back on after Power Hour. The next time I'll be on after that is for London during the overnight, Sunday going into Monday, and then Monday I'll be streaming early because it's Martin Luther King Day and Inauguration Day. But the market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern, so I'll be hopping on for like at least the last hour. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.